Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Roomba error code 9. Now it's a very common issue, and this issue is that the bumper is stuck and cannot freely move. Now it usually happens when there is any debris trapped underneath the bumper or any hair or any stones inside the bumper. So make sure to gently tap on the bumper to check if there's anything coming out of the bumper to from there gently put it back in place. Now if it coming back to place, you can actually restart the Roomba, and from there check if it's working again. Now here you can see that the bumper is right into place and here it moves outwards. So check if there's any debris stuck inside the dislodged bumper and check if you can replace it. Now if you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, leave it in the comments down below, and if you can't manage to fix it properly, go to the iRobot website and check for customer support. Now I would like to thank you for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe, but most importantly, have a great day.